Imagine having a tool in your hands that can help you, your family, your clients simply by tapping into your body's natural ability to heal. Well, that's what the AO scan has done for me, and I can't wait to tell you more about what it can do for you too. Hi, friends. I am Heather Lambius, and I want to introduce you to a holistic wellness tool that has helped restore my health from constantly reacting to foods, from skin irritations and redness, inflammation of my scalp with a lot of hair loss. It has also helped calm down my nervous system and bring a much more positive mindset. The AO scan is a subscription based technology that you can use right from your own cell phone, tablet, or computer. And it is designed to scan the energetic frequencies of the body and find imbalances that are causing stress and illness. But here's where it gets really exciting. It is not just looking for imbalances, it is also restoring and bringing optimizing frequencies to every area of the body that is out of balance. So just by doing a 5-minute scan of your body every day, you are bringing complete optimization everywhere that needs it. Think of it like a wellness tool that works with your body to restore balance and to heal from the inside out. You may be asking yourself, why are so many people sick these days? Why are people not finding answers and not getting well? Well, one of the major causes is because we are being bombarded by toxins. They're in our water, in our food, they're in the air, like Wi-Fi, 5G, microwaves, artificial light, and we are also more disconnected from the benefits of nature than we ever have been before. All of these things disrupt our body's natural ability to heal. We're so busy dealing with these toxins that we rarely get into healing mode. The AO scan helps us to combat these challenges and gives our body a way to stay balanced and strong. At this point, you may be asking yourself, okay, this sounds a little woo-woo, it's a little bit out there. Is this new age? Is this something trendy? But I can guarantee you that this is backed by science, that bioresonance and biofeedback have been used in healthcare for years. Similar to an MRI or an EKG, which reads the frequencies of the bodies to give us detailed information. The AO scan goes even a step further by giving us tools to help restore balance to the body and not just giving us reports on what is wrong. This technology actually began as a way to monitor the health of astronauts in space and to support them. So this has been around for a while. It is not new age, and I guarantee you it's not a mystical trend. This is a company with a heart for healing like I have never seen before. For less than the cost of a functional medicine doctor visit or a specialist, you can monitor your health on a daily basis. You can scan and optimize. You can help friends and family, even your whole client base. If you are ready to jump in and get started, I am here to guide you through this every step of the way, to teach you how to use this to really dial it in and tailor it for exactly your needs. I will make sure that you feel confident and empowered right from the start. If you're still a little bit on the fence, I have a 6-day trial where you can jump in and you can experience all of this for 6 days. And again, I'm going to guide you through it and show you how to use it. So whether you are excited about transforming your own health or you're passionate about helping other people, the AO scan is an incredible tool, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.